I mean, what future has a girl got out there?
Future? I've seen 100 girls go out those doors with creeps who called themselves producers, impresarios, and the rest. Little Mr. Fix-Its, all of them. Some of the girls came back with promises as long as a slide trombone. One came back with a baby. Some never came back at all. But nobody ever came back with a future. Am I getting through?
And now, ladies and gentlemen, to start the evening for you, we give you London's... No, why stop at London? We give you the world's most glamorous number, the one and only Midnight Franklin. And you can see for yourselves why all men describe her as...
The lady is hot. Too hot to handle. The lady does not act like a prude. Just try a kiss in the dark and you'll think you've been barbecued. Because the lady's much too hot to handle.
You might be next. There's been talk going around about protection. Maybe the mafia's back in Soho.
I don't believe in fairy tales.
Good night. What do you make of that one?
She doesn't really belong in this joint, that's for sure.
Does anybody?
Get out. Go away. Now. No, wait a minute.
Do you know what they do with little girls like you in a place like this?
You sure you hadn't better tell me everything? You sure this isn't a story for the police?
No, not the police.
Okay. Go in the bathroom, quick. Come on.
Get out of this. Let's get away. You can't win, Johnny. You don't even know who they are. There's no use fighting it.
No use. You think so, I don't. I've always had to fight. I had to fight to get myself out of the gutter. I had to fight to get an education, a decent accent. I even had to fight to get myself out of the ranks in the army and become an officer.
Hello, you alone? Listen, I gotta talk quick. I'll get this. You stay away from the club tonight. That's what I said. Stay away from the club. Solo's laying a trap. John was sure killing him out there tonight.
Yeah. It's a night for surprises all around.
The lady is much too hot to handle. Her tenderest touch, a tropical thrill. Unless you think you can live like a steak on a silver grill. Well, then the lady's much too hot to handle.
My girl, hold it.
I don't have photographs taken.
What the blazes?
Told you.
All right, take it easy.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm sorry, but I don't like pictures of me.
Why not? You watch here,
I
she
just
doesn't bust
don't.
you on the nose.
I tell you truly, Jack and Jill went up the hill to see what they could see. If those two kids can reach the summit, then baby, so can you and me. Romeo met Juliet beneath her balcony. If you want to play the lover, then baby, just discover me. Man and maid were made for each other since Adam was made for Eve. Some may run from one to another, but this I do believe. Eventually every dove must seek its nest, and every lock its key. Every love is made for someone, and baby, you were made for me. Baby, you were made for me.